Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm a Virginia traffic attorney. I know that when a lot of people are looking for a traffic attorney, a lot of people are kind of shopping on price. And unfortunately, I do talk to some people every week who are kind of looking for the cheapest attorney out there. And I'm here to tell you that I think that's a mistake. I would liken it to going to a car dealer and asking for the cheapest car on the lot. I don't have to tell you that you're probably not going to get the best car, necessarily the car that's right for you, if you just buy the cheapest car on the lot or the cheapest car you can find in town. There are certainly a wide variety of car choices, but most people don't shop for a vehicle that way. Most people look at their needs. They look at what kind of things they might need to carry around, how many passengers they need to carry, whether or not fuel efficiency is important to them, whether or not they like some kind of hybrid vehicle, some kind of vehicle that's a little easier on the environment. And for a lot of people, they look at the style, the comfort of the vehicle. You know, a lot of little factors that add up to be the right vehicle for you. And now that still may give you quite a spectrum of possible vehicles and possible car dealers to buy from. It still doesn't normally give you, well, what's the cheapest car? You still don't usually end up at the cheapest vehicle that's possible to buy. And so I think hiring an attorney is a very similar process. You really should look at, you know, what kind of case you have, where the case is, and start to look at attorneys who handle that kind of case in the court that your case is pending in. And you want to look at attorneys who do a lot of those cases and do it regularly. In my opinion, that's very important, because then those attorneys most likely will have a little bit better relationships with the officers, with the prosecutors, and they're just more familiar with what outcomes you might expect, how the judge likes to handle things, and that can help your case. And you also, of course, want to look at the experience of the attorney in general, their customer service abilities, how friendly their staff is. You know, there's just many little factors that go into finding the right attorney for you, and frankly, sometimes it comes down to personality. That's kind of that element that's hard to put a finger on, but does the attorney just feel right when you talk to them? Do they click with you? And for all those reasons, I think starting out at price is just not the best answer. Now, you certainly deserve a reasonably priced attorney. I'm not saying to pay the most, because that's just like buying a car and saying, give me the most expensive car. You really need to look at what's important, the features, the benefits, the things that really will matter to your case, to working with the person and getting the outcome that you're hoping for. And that's the real way that I suggest looking for an attorney, not just based on price, but looking at the overall landscape and the overall case. And so if you want to talk about your case, give me a call.